Hey friends, if you encounter the error Windows Update Service keeps turning off while startup type is automatic, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. So right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the system tab, scroll down to troubleshoot and click on troubleshoot, select other troubleshooters, click on run corresponding to the Windows Update troubleshooter and run it. The next one is to reset Windows Update components, and then you have a script here. Copy the script, search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Paste it here and hit enter. This will stop the services associated with Windows updates. It will delete the Windows Update profile. It will delete the contents of the software distribution in cat2 folders. It will re-register the DLLs. It will reset WinSock, and finally it will restart the services. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.